If you own a home, then this home maintenance checklist video is just for you. I'm Suzy Valentin, a realtor with Century 21 Now Realty, and if you're interested in home buying tips or home selling advice, then start now by subscribing so you don't miss a thing. In this video, we'll be covering 35 home maintenance tips that you should be doing throughout the year to keep your home in tip-top shape. However, if you're feeling brave enough and you have a lot of time on your hands, then put on your work gloves and let's get started. Test all your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide devices, and replace the batteries if necessary. Check if you need to refill or replace your fire extinguishers. Make sure you and members of your household know where all the water and the gas shutoff valves are in your home. To extend the life and keep your heating and cooling system running efficiently, make sure you replace the furnace filters quarterly. Examine and clean your thermostat's heat sensor, contact, and contact points. Check its accuracy and change the battery and replace the unit if necessary. Vacuum and clean the vent covers throughout your home. You'll usually find them in the kitchen, family room, hallways, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Check your window screens and door screens. Fix or patch ones that are getting worn or have holes. Examine closed windows and doors for drafts with a lit candle. If it flickers, it's time to use weather strip or caulk. Check your attic for birds, squirrels, and other rodents. Reseal the grout on your floors, counters, and walls. It'll help prevent staining. In the bathroom, check under sinks and toilets for leaks. Clean shower heads and faucet aerators. Examine the grout and caulk around your bathtubs and showers. Repair when needed. To prevent sewer odors, either turn on the faucet or pour 1 gallon of water down unused drains, which includes sinks, showers, and bathtubs. Over time, water evaporates, and doing this seals the P-trap, and it's a good idea to flush all the rarely used toilets as well. Clean the exhaust fans in your bathroom and your kitchen to keep it running optimally. Pull out your refrigerator and clean below it and behind it, and the drain pan as well. Periodically clean the condenser coils to keep it operating efficiently. To service your kitchen garbage disposal, make sure there's no foreign objects and grind up several cups of ice cubes. Turn on your dishwasher a full cycle and inspect it for leaks. Make sure the arms are spinning freely and unclog holes with a toothpick or wire if needed. Clean the dishwasher drain to keep it running more effectively. Did you know that clogged dryer vents are one of the most common causes of house fires? A couple ways to help prevent that is by cleaning the lint filters and the vent duct of your clothes dryer. To have your garage doors running smoothly, clean and lubricate your garage door tracks. Drain your water heater with a garden hose to remove sediment. Clean around your outside air conditioning compressor so it has adequate airflow. Check your driveway, walkway, patio, porches, decks, and railings for any deterioration or loose pieces. Fill any cracks and reseal when needed. Test your sprinkler system and check for leaky valves, exposed lines, and areas not adequately reached. Trim back all vegetation as well as tree branches away from your home and your roof. Check your home's exterior, foundation walls, brick, stucco, concrete, and masonry for deterioration and cracking. Inspect the exterior foundation grading of your home. Make sure water doesn't collect and that the water moves away from your house. Inspect your home's wood surfaces for weathering and peeling paint. If your home has siding, make sure you check for damage, warping, rot, and mildew. Inspect outside vents for insects, birds' nests, and rodents. Check your chimney for loose or crumbling mortar and bricks. Clean and repair any cracks in the flue. Clear and unclog your rain gutters so downspouts are free of debris. Examine your roof's surface, flashing, and eaves. Repair any damaged, loose, or missing shingles. Establish emergency procedures with all members of your household so everyone knows what to do in the event of a house fire. Make sure you have a supply kit for an emergency or weather-related power outage, which will include items such as first aid, blankets, flashlight, batteries, water, and non-perishable food. Hope you found this home maintenance checklist useful, and if you know someone that would benefit from any of these homeowner tips, please share this video with them. If you're interested in learning more home buying tips or home selling advice, then please consider subscribing to my channel and watching either of these 2 videos. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying or selling your home, please give me a call. My contact information is down below. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.